Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I already discussed about that things with you, how can dynamically update your that logo, that is the admin logo in our dashboard area, in our logging and the register area. And also here I print our system name and also adding the fab icon. So right now I want to do the same things for our font in. So in our font in, so that is I included that things in our top plate. Like if you go to the font, so that is actually back. So now I want to work in our font, and here you can see that is actually the layout. And into the layout, that is our top blade. So that is our top blade. So first of all, here, like here, I don't need that dashboard. There is update. Okay, the navigation. So I just define like that logging and register. So that is our top for the admin top. Okay, so that is our new, that is the font in top. So now I want to update it. Like here I already that is the thing. So that is actually our admin top. Here you can see that is the admin, then the layout, and that is our font and the layout. So now better I just copy it, like it should be the same. Okay, I just copy it, and here I want to update that title. So I just define the title on particular that position. And also there is our fab icon. So I just define that fab icon on particular that area. I just copy it, and into this position I just paste on particular that area. Okay, so now if you click on the save all, so now I just refresh that page. Yes, now you can see our title is now updated, and also that is our fab icon is now updated. I hope it's very much clear to you how much easily now we can actually do that work. So that is our folder. There is a public others folder. In our others folder, I already insert that picture from our system setting. Okay, so for now it's now visible perfectly on here. So that is a system name, and also that is our fab icon. So after that, I want to also want to update that logo. That means in our font logo, I want to make the things dynamic. I already insert that, that is our font logo. Okay, so right now I want to visible it on particular that position. So this is in our layout header. Like if you go to the font, and in the font, that is our header, and into the header, so you can see that is actually the logo. So right now I want to display that logo. Like here, I just copy it. It should be the pretty much same. Okay, so here I just copy it, and I just paste on particular that position. And here there is our public and others, and then our data. So here I just define for the font logo, there is a font logo, right? So I just copy it, and now in particular that position I just define that font logo. And here with the shared data I already assigned that our value. So now if you click on the save all, and now if you refresh it, yes, now you can see it's now dynamically updated. So whatever the things now you can actually insert from here, there's a font logo, and if you click on the update, then automatically this will be inserted on here and visible on particular that position. So I hope you can well understand about it. So now all the things is become dynamic. So you like if you want to change the system name, okay, like I just want to use that name as a my online news, or I just define as a LE. Okay, LE online news. So this type of one of the name, the my LE online news, or LE easy. Okay, I just define as easy LE online news portal. So this type of things I just want to update it. So you can see it's automatically now updated. And also if you refresh it, and here you can see it's also now updated. So if you also want to now update it, like this logo, okay, like this logo I want to update. So that is our backend, that means the admin logo. So now if you click on the browse, and whatever the image you like right now I select as a this one and click on the open. Okay, now click on the update, and now if you refresh that page, now you can see it's now it can change. I hope you can well understand about it, and also it will be become changed in our logging and registration page. And if you also want to change it again, like I just changed that again, click on the open, click on the update, click on the refresh. Yeah, you can see now it's coming back. So now all the things is now become dynamic. So if you also want to update the font logo, so that logo, then you can update that things from here. If you want to update the fab icon, that means this fab icon, you can also do that work from here. Okay, so that's all the site setting. For education purpose, I am using the 4 fields. So whatever the field you want to update then you can actually make that thing separated with this one. So that's actually the main mechanism. I think in this mechanism, if you know about that mechanism, you can do that anything that you really want to view. Okay, so in our next video, I will actually work in our fontings, like here how can dynamically updated that date. So right now there is actually the static date, how can update that date, and how can show your all that categories. Like here, if you go to that positions, like in our backend, they have some of the categories, and I already added some of the categories as a sports category, mobile category, there is a football category, cricket, and the golf. Okay, so you can also create another category from to this position. So how can show your all that category in your menu option area. So I also show you step by step each and everything with live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.